In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Microsoft Word features dark mode that darkens the toolbar and the area around the document while the document itself remains white. Additionally, you can switch the document to display white text on black background. First, click File in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Now click Account in the bottom of the File menu. Click the Office theme drop-down and then select Black. You will now see a dark interface with black document. This darker view is usually easier on your eyes in low light, but it doesn't show exactly what others will see when you share the document. It's up to you whether to use it or not. While in dark mode, you can also opt to make the document appear white by clicking Switch Modes. To do that, click the View tab in the ribbon at the top of the page. Now click Switch Modes. This will toggle the document color. You can switch back to black by clicking Switch Modes again. So that is how you can enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.